Here's the all-new 2026 GMC Savana, a camper that still dominates roads with its blend of utility and power. From its bold front grille to its boxy silhouette, the Savana doesn't try to be flashy. It's built to be dependable and rugged, just like a true American work camper. Inside, this full-size camper can be configured for cargo duties or transformed into a people mover with seating for up to 15 passengers, perfect for families, shuttles, or business use. Under the hood, choose between a standard V6 or an available V8 engine, delivering strong torque and towing power with the ability to pull up to nearly 10,000 pounds. Though rooted in tradition, the 2026 GMC Savana includes modern touches like touchscreen infotainment and connectivity features that make both work and travel easier. Powerful, practical, and still one of America's favorite full-size campers. That's the 2026 GMC Savana. What would you use it for? Cargo, travel, or conversion? Comment below.